Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Brian Kelly, and I'm reporting to you from my home office here in Garner, North Carolina. Just want to say thank you so very much for deciding to take a look at my video today. Um, just want to talk a little bit, man. I did a lot of stuff going on in this world that we are living in. Of course, this coronavirus is crazy, and I heard something last week that's really it's kind of devastating. What I heard was like 32,000 people from the airlines being laid off their jobs. And I mean, if you really, look at that, that's devastating because you got to think about, the people who make reservations, the pilots, the flight attendants, and it's like a trickle effect. I mean, if no one's flying, then they don't really need the pilots and so forth. And then if no one's flying, then that means that no one's going to be renting cars when they get to their destination. No one's going to be staying in hotels. So, this thing is really, really bad. It's really bad. And uh, people are being laid off their jobs. And some people, they get unemployment, but that only lasts for a while. But the thing about it is, the thing that's consistent with this are bills. Bills never stop coming. Bills don't care if you don't have a job. They just keep on coming, and of course the government has intervened. I'm not sure if they're still doing this, but I know in times before that, that you couldn't get evicted from your apartment. But eventually that is going to come to an end, and if you don't have finances and so forth lined up, I mean, you could literally be homeless or living with a relative or a friend. And, that is so unfortunate. I don't mean to be so morbid. I mean, I don't, but that's just the reality of where we are at this particular time in this country and basically around the world. And so I always think about, okay, well, before things happen, what are you doing to get a side hustle or to not so much as get a part-time job, but what are you doing to better yourself so that if something does happen like this, you are prepared to kind of go and transition into the other thing? Because, let's face it, if you're being laid off and you don't have a lot of skill in a certain type of industry, then you're kind of screwed, man. It's like, what are you going to do? And there's a lot of people in that predicament. But I've said this before. I mean, I've been involved in network marketing and high ticket and medium ticket programs, and those programs are very, very good. I made money in those things. But the only thing about those programs, you can't really rely completely on them because you have to do a mail outs and you have to spend sometimes a lot of money to get those things going. And once they get going, yeah, you make money here and there, and that's good, because I have. But I'm talking about consistency, okay? Knowing that you're going to get an X amount of dollars by the end of the month. When you do the network marketing kind of thing, you don't know that for sure because basically you are relying on other people's, other people to get involved in your business, and there's so much competition and that sort of thing. So, I'm not completely knocking that, but I'm just being very honest with you. Um, it works, but it's just not consistent. So, this is why I came up with the. I didn't come up with it, but I mean, I've decided to kind of switch gears here and um, tell you about my course, my trading course, and it's trading the E-mini S&P 500. Now with this, you don't have to, mail out flyers and postcards and so forth because I'm going to be teaching you a very, very specific skill. And once you learn this skill, I know I sound like a broken record. You probably hear me saying this all the time. Once you learn this skill, you would literally be able to make money at will, as much money as you want to. And I'll show you how to do that. But mainly, you're going to be getting the education of being able to make money and rely on not people but on yourself, on your skill level. Okay, because you'll wake up in the morning, you'll turn your computer on, and you'll trade for an hour, maybe 2 hours at the very most. A lot of times less. I'm just being, conservative. A lot less than that, and you'll make your money, and you'll shut your computer down, and you go do whatever you want to do for the rest of the day. And I mean, I'm not exaggerating, guys. That is the way trading is. Well, I'll put it this way: they have what's called swing trading. Swing trading is good because that's like on a longer term basis. Where you hold positions overnight in weeks and months. Um, that requires a little bit more patience and a bigger picture. And a lot of people, choose to do that. But what I teach very short term trading. I'm talking about getting in the market for seconds, in minutes, getting in and getting out of a trade. And you're making making, I say, small profits, but you start making small profits at first. But what you do is you want to scale up, and as you get more contracts, the money begins to increase. And so this is why I say, trading an hour and you're done for the day, because you're not trying to stay in the market all day. You want to just make your money, set your goal, make your money, and get the heck up out of there. I in my course, I have, it's really really cool. I have a very conservative goal chart. Okay, and if you follow that goal chart that I have in there, I'm telling you guys, man, it's really. I mean, I don't do the pie in the sky thing. I just keep it real, and I show you exactly what you can do when you decide to trade the way that I show you how to trade. And it's, like I said, it's very conservative but extremely profitable. And the whole point of the matter is, I mean, you want to learn. You guys, you gotta learn this skill, man. I'm telling you, man, you got to learn this skill, because once you learn it, no one can take that skill away from you. You can make money. I mean, as long as let's say, for instance, you decide to go on vacation. Okay, well, all you have to do, just take your laptop with you on vacation, because during that vacation, around the open time of the stock market in New York, you want to just log on and maybe trade for an hour at the most. And as long as you can do this, as long as you have internet access and a laptop. You can't do this on your phone, unfortunately. Right now, you can't. I recommend this: you use a desktop or a laptop. But if you're on vacation, take your laptop with you. Log on, for a few minutes, do your trade, make your money, shut it down, and then go and enjoy the rest of your vacation. No matter where you are on the planet, as long as you have internet access, you can do this. Okay, you can do this, guys. And my course is structured so that, again, you're not staying in the market all day. You're being ultra conservative, very safe, a very 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 safe way to trade. I want you to trade on a demo account, initially, until you feel comfortable trading with real money. I also offer it's a company called Top Step Trade. I mentioned this before. What they do is they supply the funding for you, so you have to use your own money. And basically, uh, trade with those guys. They put you through what's called a trading combine. You pass that, and then they give you the funding for money to trade on your own personal account. So that's a really good route to go. Oh, my thing. I'm sorry. Oh, there it goes. Um, that's a really good way to go. And a lot of people, choose to do that. Or sometimes they choose to use their own money, which is fine. Either way you want to do it, it's totally fine. But my point is this: you gotta learn this skill. You never know what's going to happen in the future with your job. Most people will keep their job, but there are some who don't. But you don't want to wait until you're unemployed before you start making moves. While you're employed, while things are going really 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 good, you want to start looking at options. Okay, looking at some different options that you can do. And like I said, my course is very simple, step by step. I have videos explain everything. And you gotta go and learn something, learn this course, learn something, but because, you, when the time comes and you get that pink slip or they're downsizing or furloughing you and things like that, you don't want to, be stuck with your tail between your legs and saying, okay, what do I do now? Because at that point, it might be too late, right? So,
Power E-mini. Trailing stop move.
Uh-oh.
278.92.
Okay. Anyway, um, that's one of the things I use. But yeah, uh, I lost my train of thought. Yeah, but the whole thing is, yeah, you want to take the initiative before things get bad. Learn this stuff before things get bad, because um, and again, you can do this on a part-time basis. Work your job, continue to go to your job, but do this now. You can do this before you go to work. If you have some time during the day, you can do this. During primary time, 9:30 to 4:15, I think it is. Or if you can't do it during that time and you get off of work, guess what? You can do it after work. You can do it in the evening time. You can do it like 10 o'clock Eastern time at night, because the way I have it, you're always going to be getting those entry signals. And so, you know, that's how basically, how it is. And again, you're not going to be in the market for a long time. You're not going to try to get a whole bunch of points. But the whole thing is, this method that I teach will give you consistency. And if you are a trader, the biggest thing you want to be is consistent. Whether you're making $2 a day or $20 a day or 200 or $2,000 a day, if you do that day after day after day after day consistently over and over again, that's when your profits, really begin to pick up. And most importantly, you'll have your confidence. You'll know you'll be a professional trader. Okay, when you're making, not so much just the money you're making, it's just the consistently earning those, the profits, because you're utilizing the methodology that I teach, day after day after day, and you're gaining that confidence. And that's what you want, guys, because once you get that confidence up and you do it over and over again, then the magic of scaling happens. The magic of scaling happens where, as you traded one contract before, well, now you're trading 5 contracts or 10 contracts, and you're making the same. I mean, you're trading the same amount of time. It's just that you're making a lot more money because you're trading more contracts. So that doesn't come like right away, but the main thing is you got to start. Number one, start on a demo account. Okay. Number two, once you feel comfortable, then you want to start trading trade one contract for as long as you can. And then as you get more confidence, you get more, your account builds up. Then you want to go to 2 contracts, and then you go from there. And that's how you do it. That's how you do it. But hey, I'm excited, man. I'm excited about this. Is Oh, by the way, this is a live chart today, Monday, October 5th. As you can see here, ES stands for E-mini S&P 500. This is a 3-minute chart. Okay, and what was that? Wait a minute. Yeah, it's 3-minute chart, and this is what I have here. Wait a minute. What is that? Okay. Yeah. This is today's chart. As you can see here, a lot of good things happen. In my course, I show you really nice things occurred here. You don't know what it is, but ooh, this is beautiful. As you can see, the market has gone up dramatically and continues to rise. So if you are using the methodology that I teach, then yeah. And this line here, well, that's not the actual. Well, I kind of disguise it, but it's on the story. But anyway, yeah. This thing is going up. It's continuously going up. The market's doing really well today. Doesn't make a difference whether the market goes up or goes down. You still make money. That's the main thing. That's the main thing you want to know about. All right. And so here we are. Oh God, this is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, and the methodology that I teach, man, you'd have made really good money, made your profits, relatively quickly today. But anyway, I'm gonna put my link below. What I'd like you to do is, I have a video, another YouTube video that kind of goes into detail about what I have to offer as far as my course is concerned. It's very thorough. It'll teach you and show you exactly what you need to do to make money consistently. That's the main thing. What I want you to do is go and take a look at that video and then follow the just very specific instructions on the screen of that video. Follow those instructions exactly as shown, and then we can proceed from there. Okay. All right. So anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and I will chat with you later. The name of the website is www.secret. It's secretwealthprogram.com. When you go there, you just opt in. It's going to take you directly to the YouTube video. Look at the YouTube video and take it from there. Okay. All right. Have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.